This video demonstrates an integrated customer journey for e-invoicing and UPI Collect as a payment mode, and the benefits it brings to corporate customers. First, you can see Partner Hub's technology with a screen which the corporate sees. It is a customizable user interface that can be tailored for the bank's branding and product definition. The system has a modular architecture, so you can choose the necessary modules. Here you can see the e-invoicing module, the UPI Collect module, and a corporate banking API module. The first step is invoice creation. The corporate's billing system generates the invoice with an API call. You can see the GST-compliant invoice data structure. The invoice is generated as a result of the API call, and you can view the PDF image of the invoice. In the invoice list view, you can see the invoice number generated by the system and the invoice reference number assigned by the GST e-invoicing portal. You can see the open amount of 50 INR and that the UPI Collect status is payable. You can also view the invoice image and check the technical data with respect to the e-invoice generation. Going to the UPI Collect list view, you can see that a UPI Collect request was generated from the invoice data simultaneously with the invoice generation. This is where the value is added. As we use the invoice data that the corporate generates, the corporate does not have to implement a new interface to implement UPI Collect. With this step only, we can save weeks of work on the corporate side. You can only see the API call for the invoice creation, and we are not showing you the back-end processes. Only the outcome is important. The UPI request is generated from the invoice, and it is sent to CamSpay UPI Collect Request API. CamSpay sends the payment request via the UPI scheme to Google Pay as the payer app, which is enabled by ICICI Bank as the payer's bank. The payer approves the UPI Collect request in the payer app. Going back to the corporate's view, you can see that the status of the UPI Collect request has changed to Done. In the invoice view, you can see that the related invoice status has changed to Paid. The integration of invoicing and UPI Collect provides automated matching of the invoice with payment, providing 100% data accuracy as there is a data link between the invoice and the UPI Collect request. This single fact eliminates manual work or already implemented, but much less efficient transaction matching applications. Ask for a demo from Partner Hub today.